let's compose our Italian stallion. So first things first, we have our toasted brioche buns, and we have our pesto mayo. And we're gonna put as much or as little as you want, and get that really, really nice pesto mayo all over there. Let it seep into that warm, toasty bun. Next, we have our luscious, juicy Delmonico PureGround burgers, cooked to perfection with that melty provolone cheese. Over here, we cannot forget our spicy chicken parm with that marinara and the provolone cheese and that GBD, that golden brown delicious chicken breast right there. And then we top it off. This right here is a thing of beauty. Golden brown chicken, perfectly cooked Delmonico burgers. We have that pesto mayo, that spicy marinara, that creamy provolone cheese. Let's get into it.